Mini mention?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14 and 15, Your Lordship.
Yes. Who is the other side? You're appearing for?
Respondent number 4 in item number 14, Your
You're
Lordship.
making mention on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Of the state? 14 and 15, both the matters are there. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection?
No objection.
Just say respect for the Lordship Counsel of the petitioner. Please. Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
My lord, item number 12. In this item number 12, my lord, I am 12. So this is a village matter, my lord, where I am representing the respondent number 3, who is a CM, my lord. Now the CM has been suspended pending inquiry, my lord. So I need to take some instructions in this matter, my lord.
Who is the petitioner?
I'm appearing on behalf of petitioner, sir. Lordship.
Mr. P. Even London Council appearing for the respondent number so and so submits that there is some development in the matter.
Yes, my lord.
For which he needs some first instruction.
My lord.
And praise for grant of some time.
My lord.
And council appearing of the petitioner, no objection. Prayer allowed. List after?
At least after 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks. You are there also.
I'm appearing for 4 and 5.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks, Lordship.
Item?
Item 4.
You are appearing for
The petitioner, Lordship.
2017 matter.
Lordship, this is actually we are private respondent. Lordship, this petitioner had been not
What is the
interested
matter
in
about? What is the
this
matter?
is regarding Akun case, Your
Nokma
Lordship.
ship, no?
Aking case.
Yes, they have been keep on
Appointment
adjourning,
of
Lordship.
Nokma. Appointment of Nokma or is the border
This
district?
is regarding yes appointment of Nokma. Since this is the third round of litigation before it has come up to the High Court.
You are the existing Nokma now.
I'm
You are
the
present.
existing Nokma.
And he is claiming that post.
He is claiming the
But
post.
then you are enjoying the position, isn't it?
No, Your Lordship, because there was a lot of disturbance because of them. I cannot run as Nokma function without smoothly also.
And that disturbance is because of pendency of this case only.
Yes, they have taken the plea because they from the record it says that they have been keep on repeating one pretext or another. They have not interested argued in this case also.
District Council, you are, who is there?
I have no objection, Your Lordship.
Then allow them.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Maybe one after 1 week, Lordship.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Afterwards, 2 weeks.
See, respondent is, District Council is not there with you. Just respect for the London Council or the petitioners. And not objected to by the London Council appearing for the respondents. List this matter after 2 weeks. Yes,
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 7. Similar matters pending before the division bench, Your Lordship.
Item 7.
Lordship.
It is pending
Lordship.
before division bench.
Lordship.
Has it been recorded already on the earlier occasion? That pendency of a connected matter before the division bench?
Lordship. Lordship.
So you can say that. Are you sure that has been?
Lordship.
Okay, yes. So when do you want it?
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
The London Council appears to the parties submit that the connected matter pending before the division bench is yet to be disposed of. In view of the submission, list this matter after 3 weeks. Yes.
You may oblige.
Lordship, I beg to make a
Connected matter
mention.
before the division bench having bearing in the present matter. The connected matter having bearing in the present case has not yet been disposed of. Okay. Then you say in view of the submissions.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I'm seeking for some accommodation on this matter. Item number 13, Lordship.
13. Yes.
No objection.
For how long?
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. This is also aspect provided for on behalf of Mr. K. Paul Leonard, Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. R. Datta on item number 17, Lordship. She's having some personal difficulties. I'm
When? For how long?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Just aspect provided so and so on behalf of so and so. This is matter after. Okay.
Highly.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. And it's with number 6 also. It's with regard to those cantonment.
These are all connected matters.
All connected. All connected.
Yes. So these are pending for some sort of.
Yes, Your Lordship. For the FSI approval. FSI approval. In fact, Your Lordship, while the writ petition is pending,
So we'll say on the joint prayer.
Your Lordship.
This matters just 5 and 6
5 and 6.
on the joint prayer made by the parties. Is this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks? After 3 weeks.
Obliged. Lordship.
Lordship, on joint request, we beg to mention item number 9.
Number 9, Lordship.
This matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks.
It's all right. See, today also we'll have a full court meeting in the second half, so it will not be possible. Yes. This is a matrimonial dispute.
Matrimonial
Yes.
dispute.
Maintenance.
Regarding quashing of an
Complaint case, Your Lordship, under Section Dowry Prohibition Act.
Yes.
much obliged.
The joint prayer made by the parties. This after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Much obliged.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 and item number 11. There's connected, my lord. I'm praying that the matter can come up after 2 weeks, my lord. The counsel, Mr. H. Abraham, due to personal difficulty, is unable to take up the matter today.
Item 8 and 11.
8 and 11.
8 and
Lordship.
11.
I'm for the petitioner. Already informed to me.
Mr. Abraham is appearing for the state respondent.
For the
Who-
state
I see.
respondents.
State respondents. Who is petitioner in 11?
Both.
In both the cases,
Same,
Mr. Upadhyay.
I'm for the petitioner.
So you have no objection.
No objection because already informed to me.
But just say that the request made on behalf of Mr. H. Abraham, London GA appearing for the respondent, state respondent. This is matter after when?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Lordship.
Okay. This is a service matter.
Service matter, Lordship.
Grateful, my lord.
Item number 1.
Your Lordship, I'm from the respondent number 4, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'll be filing the affidavit during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
And what about 2 and 3?
Your Lordship, I'm here on behalf of the respondent to answer. We won't be filing our affidavit anymore.
But then on the last occasion you have asked for
Yes,
time.
Your Honor, I've been instructed that we won't be needing to file an affidavit. So let the matter may come up, maybe listed for hearing on the next day, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, he'll be giving it to me today, he said.
It's all right. It's all right. Have patience. Let the court pass. Yes, Learned Counsel. You are Miss A. Rani. MS A. Rani, Learned Counsel happy with the but though just say though the earlier occasion time was granted to the respondent 2 and 3 for filing an objection in the matter, comma. Today, MS A. Rani, Learned Counsel, appearing for the said respondent submits that no objection is required to be filed on behalf of the respondent but 2 and 3 in the matter. Stop. Mr. Majao, Learned Counsel. Mr. Majao, isn't it? Mr. Majao, Learned Counsel, appearing for the number 4, submits that the objection has already been made ready and will be filed shortly. Well, will be filed within courts within 2 days. Stop. In view of the submission, this is matter Do not say in view of those. Just say as paid for the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Okay, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am entering appearance in this matter on behalf of the sole respondent. This
Yes.
matter may be fixed for hearing after 2 weeks.
This is civil revision.
Civil
In a matrimonial matter? No.
ejectment should. Written statement was closed.
Yes. Mr. Ahmed, Honorary Counsel, has entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent. In place for grant of some. You want matter to be this thing for listed for hearing?
Yes.
Or you need instruction
It can be fixed for hearing after 2 weeks.
and submits. So just say Mr. Ahmed has entered appearance with the sole respondent. Stop. But then this is a revision under what? It is not required to go for admission and all. It is the maintainability is not an issue.
Yes, my lord, because our written statement was closed, my lord, before the lapse of 90 days, my lord.
What you said, Mr. So and so has appeared on behalf of the. Sir. Then you just say the party submit that the matter can be listed for a hearing. Matter is ready for hearing. Accordingly, this is matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Notice is complete on the private respondent?
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I wait for 3 more times, Lordship. 3 weeks times, Lordship. As the conducting counsel is on sanctioned leave.
This is
Question.
come up for hearing. Has it come up for hearing?
Lordship, basically it's for quashing and there's a private respondent. They've arrived at a settlement because it's a non-compoundable, so the High Court has got a power and they've
It's on the basis of compromise.
compromise,
Yes,
settlement, did everything, but the private respondent was made a party.
And this
So
offense
notice the
offense is
court-
under what section? Offense involved?
4-6 compoundable.
465.
Compoundable.
Sorry, non-compoundable.
Non-compoundable.
Sorry. So inherent power of the court can be invoked. The only requirement was with the private respondents.
Okay. So state doesn't have any objection.
No, I don't think so.
Lordship, I'm appearing for
471,
respondent.
471.
So since today it seems like the private respondent is entering.
I'm
That is
appearing-
not an offense, public offense. Anyway, when you
3 weeks time.
any objection?
No objection.
Honorary Counsel for the petitioner. Praise for grant of. Who is absent?
S. Pandit, Lordship.
And just say straight for the Honorary Counsel for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Yes, Lord. 3 weeks, Lordship.
List after 2 weeks. Okay. Yes.
Item number 10.
Yes, again, pending your apex court.
Yes, my lord. On the last occasion, Lordship may recall, Lordship had posed the query that SLP 643, does it pertain to judicial officers only, or does it also include judicial staff of the courts? So, if Lordship also recalls, Learned AG had kindly pointed out one of the conducting counsels was his niece,
Yes, yes.
but I don't think he's here today. But in any event, I took the trouble, my lord, of going through each and every order in that case. My submission is it is very clear that it's only for the judicial officers, my lord. I'll just point out.
No, but then we do not know what is your instruction.
My lord, actually, the Learned Advocate General, he's on next, my lord, before Supreme Court. He's the arguing counsel, my lord.
Yes, Mr. General.
Yes, my lord. So this, my lord, is that same SLP. This is one of the initial orders, first few orders passed. I'll just quickly read if Lordship allows. This writ petition is filed by All India Judges Association, praying as follows. It is therefore respectfully prayed that this honourable court may be pleased to issue a writ of mandamus or a writ in the nature of mandamus or such other so and so as may be necessary, directing the respondents to constitute All India Judicial Commission in terms of the representation made by the petitioner to respondent number 1 on so and so to review the service conditions of the judicial officers of subordinate judiciary in India, including but not limited to pay scale, retirement age, pension, and other anomalies of the subordinate judiciary from time to time. Number 2, to issue such orders as may be necessary to direct the respondent number 1 to undertake appropriate exercise to ascertain the feasibility of establishing an all India judicial services. And number 3, to pass such other orders and further orders as may be deemed necessary on the facts, etc. It goes on.
What you want to trying to point out is judicial officers.
It's only regarding judicial officers.
That is okay, but then see that is order. Let's say, but then you do not know. Apex Court sometimes you find that and they enlarge the scope and bring others also. So what we wanted, if there was a say like a
in fact,
consensus,
if Lordship allows,
the issue, that would have helped the thing.
Absolutely, if Lordship allows, this may be slightly off the record, but page 14 of this judgment.
Page 14 of
this judgment that Lordship is holding.
Page
1-4, my lord. It's on top. 1-4. It says 1-4, my lord.
There is no page 14 of this judgment. Yeah.
Oh. If Lordship kindly turns the page, then para F is there, my lord. If Lordship sees para C,
F.
para F, my
That's
lord.
page 5.
Maybe some.
Do you recommend the mechanism?
That is para F, my lord.
Yes.
Just moving a little forward, or maybe on the next page. In the circumstances we deem it appropriate.
Yes, page
Yes.
6.
I'll just read this part, my lord.
Yes.
In the circumstances, we deem it appropriate to appoint a commission to be headed by Mr. Justice P. Venkatraman Reddy, a former judge of this court, who would act as a chairman of the commission, and Mr. R. Basant, a former judge of the Kerala High Court and a senior advocate of this court, to be member of this commission. The commission would be, it goes on. Again, my lord, maybe slightly off the record, but Mr. R. Basant, my lord, is he used to be the Chief Justice of Kerala High Court, known to me, my lord, because his daughter is my friend, who's also a senior advocate in the Supreme Court. I spoke.
This is a former judge of Kerala.
Yes,
doesn't say Chief Justice.
It says, but he was the CJ at one time, long back, my lord. So I spoke on an informal basis. I've been informed that this commission is only for judicial officers. But again, this is on verbal.
That is okay. You see, like only one is that basically this query is not made for making or recording any findings.
No.
What you want that we can proceed on.
Absolutely, absolutely. So,
okay, so that is what. So what you say that we can proceed. But then if
my lord, learned advocate general, he would like to make some submissions, my lord.
That's okay. Then what do you suggest? What shall we do?
My lord, I believe the matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Any urgency in the thing?
My lord, the direction from the Honorable Supreme Court in terms of the Shetty Commission was implementation of Shetty Commission recommendations within 3 months by every state. This direction was passed in 2009.
So this is basically your petition is seeking implementation of
the Shetty Commission recommendations.
If there is a direction by the Apex Court,
yes,
and if it is not done,
yes,
then we can say it is a violation of the direction of the Apex
Court. Because
so
many.
Is it not that the contempt will lie there instead of
my lord, what has happened?
Direction, just a minute.
Yes.
Have some patience.
Yes.
Because this court is handling it for the first time. It's not like other.
True.
It was pending before the other court.
True.
So, if there exists any direction,
yes, my lord.
Whether any fresh direction is needed?
My lord, what has happened is the direction was definitely issued by Supreme Court. In addition, my lord, there was a clear observation or again a direction from the Supreme Court that henceforth any matter concerning judicial staff of the various courts will be handled by High Court. So
that is all right.
On the strength of that, my lord.
But then those things, yes, those problems coming under the purview of the same direction, I don't think that is required. Because direction already stands. Would you like this court to renew the same direction?
My lord, because the direction was a very general direction. The reason, my lord, the Supreme Court did not take up the issue of judicial officers of different states was because they are governed by their own service conditions, which are peculiar to every state. So therefore, it is in that because of that reason that Supreme Court in its wisdom said, please go back to the High Courts if as far as judicial staff is concerned. So on that, on the strength of that direction, my lord, we are before this honorable court. I appreciate what has fallen from my lord. That
No, these
maybe,
are initial queries.
yes.
So now, if there already exists a direction, then what is the difficulty? You do not have a scope to make any objection also.
They should, because on the last occasion, if Lordship recalls, learned AG was present. He was also more or less on the same footing that we can go ahead.
Without waiting for a direction of the court, you should implement it by yourself. Why do you want there should be judicial order in each and every case? It should not be forced by judicial order.
No.
Anyway, today G is not there.
Very
Yes, Mr. Learned G appearing for the state judgment and submits that Learned Advocate General, who is Learned Advocate General, Learned G submits that Learned Advocate General who is representing the state respondent in this matter is out of station and prays for grant of some time. The General Learned Counsel with the petitioner has no objection. We are allowed to restrict 2 weeks. Just see if that can be implemented. What is the problem?
Because right now, my lord, the issue is a very small issue, whether we can move forward or not. As per looking at this order, my lord, I would say that we can move forward. If they have a contrary view,
probably see this court is also present, but then since the officers of the subordinate judicial regime
that was the that was the
here
problem.
It is specific judicial officers.
Yes.
That judicial thing was missing.
Yes. We'll wait for the AG.
I do right.
Item number 16.